Welcome, students. So, we will continue with the topic complements. All right. Now, in this video lesson, I would require you to refresh your memory back to the time when you have learned about the subject and the predicate, right? So, what is subject and a predicate, class? Now, by subject, it is the part of the sentence which tells us what or whom the sentence is about, right? And what's the predicate? The part of the sentence that tells us about the subject. The part of the sentence that tells us about the subject is called the predicate, right? So, keeping that in mind, let us see some examples. I have given you 4 examples. Now let us look at each of these examples one by one. In the first example, we have the sentence, the man sings. Okay. Now here, which is the subject? Here, whom are we talking about? Or about whom or what are we talking here? About the man, right? So here the man is we can call it as the subject, right? So I'm writing here as and what is the predicate? Here we have only one word as the predicate, right? We have only one word as the predicate, and this what is the predicate? It tells us about the subject. So what is this? What does it tells us about the subject? That the subject is singing, right? The man sings. Now, the verb sings. Now, this is an action, right? So, predicates are actions, right? These are verbs. Predicate means it is telling us about the verbs. So, here I will write it as verbs. Now, class, remember we have done transitive and intransitive verb too. So, what is a transitive verb? That has an object after the verb is called transitive verb. And what is an intransitive? That has no object after the verb is called the intransitive verb. So this verb sings is an intransitive verb. Okay, it's an intransitive verb. But now look at the sentence. The man sings. If I say the man sings, still the meaning is complete. It is conveying us a complete sense. Yes or no? Yes, we comes to know what the man is doing. So the man sings. So it is complete. So this we call it this verb sings, we call it as verb of complete predication. Okay, we call it verbs of complete predication. Now coming to a second example, the man looks. Here also we have the subject, the man. What is the predicate? What has been said about the person? Looks, right? Now I am just taking one word, okay, as a predicate, like the example number 1. In example number 1 also I took only one word, so even in second one I'm taking one word. But the problem is here we have this word look. The verb looks is your intransitive verb. Okay, I'm writing it IV, which means intransitive verb. But this sentence, as compared to the first sentence is complete. But the second sentence, the man looks. Can we end the sentence there? No, it is incomplete, right? We need one more word to complete the sentence. So the man looks, if in case I write the word tired, tired. If I write the man looks tired, the word tired, if I write the word the man looks tired, then we can say the sentence is complete, right? Now coming to third example, the food taste. Here also the food is a subject, and what is the predicate? Taste. Again one word as a predicate, but like number 1 is, even though I have using just one word as a predicate, this word is not complete. This verb, it is intransitive verb, but is the sentence complete? The food taste. If I just end the sentence in taste, is it complete? No, it is not, but it is not complete. We need one more word to complete the sentence. So if I use the food taste, what is this? The food taste delicious. If I write the word delicious, now does it get complete sense? Yes. Now the last one, before, his parents, now here subject is his parents, named him. Now here it is a named him. Now here this we have a verb, the predicate, sorry, his parents named him. We have the predicate here, okay? So of course we do have an action here, named him, and we also have an object. But is it making a complete sense? No, it is not. It is not giving us a complete sense. His parents named him what? Then we need one more word. For example, Rahul. Right? So if I use this, his parents named him Rahul, then the sentence becomes complete. So such verbs looks, taste, and named. Okay, such verbs are called verbs of incomplete predication. Verbs of incomplete predication. Verbs of incomplete predication. So such verbs, looks, taste, name, are known as what is it? Such verbs are known as complements. I will write it with pen if it's not if it's not visible. So they are called as complements, okay? Which is our topic, which again in the next video lesson I will be doing with the types of complements.